Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, welcome for being here with us. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today we are going to be making a wig, and this wig is going to be like beginner friendly, just a basic sewing tutorial. So since this video is pretty sped up, so I'm just going to describe the process just real quick before I allow you see what's going on. So in this video first of all I glued a lace wig on the place where I want my closure to be. You can sew it if you want, but I glued it because I believe that made it faster and more sturdy for me. You can try whichever way you want. And then I went ahead and just sewed around in like a U manner, just by basic hemming around the whole hair. So that's just basically what we did until we got to the crown of the head, and we sealed it up just the way you sealed any other wig. So I will allow you guys to watch the video now, and I hope by our next video you'll be back to watch it. Thank you.
You play games while I bet money. My dreams I'm pushing to the sky. Don't come down to offer your help, you Lord. So now I'm pushing by myself. You play scared while I bet money. Got dreams that's never gonna die. I got a heart, I got a dream. You thought that you was helping me. You didn't know all of the things I had hid inside. I gave you all the best of me, a silly kind of loyalty. I'm letting go, I'm moving on. I can't waste any more of my time, cause you keep people coming and going. Do a lot of talking, they don't know. They can't see, it's all an illusion, it's all just confusion. So don't come down and offer your help this time. See now I'm pushing by myself. You play games while I bet money. My dreams I'm pushing to the sky. Don't come down to offer your help, you Lord. So now I'm pushing by myself. You play scared while I bet money. Got dreams, it's never gonna die. Watching me and what I do, afraid that I get more than you. I know the game you playing, cause I had time to watch. I'm better off without your help. I'm better off all by myself. I'm letting go, I'm moving on, chasing dreams one step at a time. See, you keep people coming and going. Do a lot of talking, they don't know. They can't see, it's all an illusion, it's all just confusion. So don't come down and offer your help this time. See now I'm pushing this by myself. Play games while I bet money. My dreams I'm pushing to the sky. Pushing them to the sky. Don't come down to offer your help, you Lord. So now I'm pushing by myself. Play scared while I bet money. Got dreams that's never gonna die. Depending on me, I've been waiting all of my life for the moment I can take flight. Faith alone can take me up from here. playing games, I was betting money, and now you want some of my money. No, you lost, so now I'm pushing by myself. Better by myself, yeah, yeah. That's never gonna die.